they will take a eye checkup. I failed the exam. It was a great experience. Hello there everybody, and today Janil Patel is here after too many days, I may say 2 months maybe, and today I'm gonna share my experience getting my G1 license in Canada, in Kitchener, Ontario. So it was a great experience, I would say. It's around 6:45 in the evening, and I came here at the driving test center around 2 or maybe 1:45 or 2 p.m. It was a long queue. I made an attempt. They charge $90 for the license and $16 for the exam fee. I failed the exam first time with 9 wrong answers in the first module and got good marks in the second module, and then in the second attempt I made 7 wrong, and finally in the third attempt, which I just finished 5 minutes ago, I passed with perfectly 4 answers wrong. So it was a good experience, I would say. Other than this, I would like to tell that if you pass the exam for the sign language, then you don't need to give the exam again for the sign thing, because then you just have to pass the exam which you have failed, because there are 2 modules, right? One is the sign module and one is the rules module. So second and third time I have to give only the descriptive module again, and it was a great experience. It took my whole day, so I have my assignments to be done when I reach home. Other thing I would like to tell that you have to give the $16 as much as time you need to give the exam. So that's it. Maybe I'll make a detailed video about the process, or maybe let me tell it, because I'm just walking on a road going back home. So yes, I just went to the driving test center, and then I asked the person who was the security guard and asked him that I am here for the G1 driving test. He told just you need to have your just passport and nothing else is required. Yes, if you want to show the driving experience which you would like to show, if you have a 4-year experience in India, you have to bring the driving extract letter and your original driving license from India. Don't forget to bring that, okay? Otherwise they will not validate the driving extract letter. And other thing I would like to tell is that after you go in, you get a coupon in which the token number is written. So when they call for the token number, you have to go give your passport, driving license and that driving extract, and they'll ask some details. Then they will take a eye checkup like we give in the glasses, and then they will ask for the lights. So there will be 2 lights flashing near this part, and you just need to tell that which side light is flashing. So right, left is the answer, nothing else. Maybe left or right, or maybe right or left. There is no third answer, okay? So yes, and after that they will ask for the payment. The first time the payment will be $106. I hope everybody passes in the first time. I'll also put the PDF link in the description of this video, so it will help everybody. And you will be assigned a number of table on which the computer will be there. It will not be a perfectly computer kind of thing. It will be a touch screen, and a touch pen will be given to you. You just have to tap it everywhere. And yes, first I was nervous because I have read twice only, but the test was slightly different from the Indian test which we give at RTO. So yes, don't panic, just try and try, you will succeed. And when I went to the driving test center, I was for sure that I will not come back without getting my driving license, okay? I got the G1, and now I am allowed to directly give the G license test. And one major thing I would like to tell you is that they will ask that your driving extract letter should be signed and stamped, because they were asking somebody, because my driving license letter was also not stamped and not signed, but they didn't ask me because they thought that this was the original letter. A person who came after me, he was asked that this is a Xerox copy and you should not give this, because they went into a doubt, right? So take the original one, so there should be no doubt to them that you are giving a wrong copy or something else. And if there is a doubt, then you can tell them that this is the printed version. Nowadays they don't sign and stamp in RTO India, right? so you can tell them that this is a computer generated and the original one. And if you like, you can just verify it by scanning the barcode given at the bottom side, so their doubt will be clear and thus it will help you. Other thing I would like to tell is that don't panic. It is fun, okay? And yes, the G1 driving test is very easy, but the thing I was fed up of today is the lines. There are very huge lines. There were around 10 counters where the process was going on, should be going on, but only 2 of them were on. Only 2 people were working there. So that was very hard and made the time longer. So I should suggest that you should take a full day and go there. So that's not a problem. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day and welcome to Canada.